In this video, I will show you exactly how to easily navigate Excel using the up, down, left, and right arrows. This is useful for quickly jumping to your first and last data entries in your columns and rows, and is especially useful when navigating even larger data sets than the one we are working with today. Note that data-filled entries are cells that already have data populated as shown below. So where there is no data, the shortcut will not navigate to empty cells. This can be a metaphor for life, too, I guess. We will begin with navigating columns in Excel, first using the up and down arrows. Let's start with how to jump to our first data-filled cell in our column using the up arrow. Step 1, select your desired column. Step 2, select any cell within that column, preferably on the lower end of your column. Step 3, press and hold the Control key and press the up arrow. This will successfully take you to the first data-filled entry in that column. In this example, we successfully navigated our first sales value for the year. Now that we know how to get to the first data entry in our column, let's navigate to the last data entry in a column. Step 1, select the desired column. We will still use the sales column, but you can use another if you want. Step 2, select any cell within your chosen column, preferably cells at the top end of this column. Step 3, press and hold the Control key and then press the down arrow. We have now navigated the last data-filled entry in this column in order to see the total sales value. We will now move on to navigating rows in Excel using the left and right arrows. Let's start with navigating using the left arrow. To get to the far left end of your data sheet, use the following steps. Step 1, select a row. We will use row 7 as highlighted. Step 2, select a cell on the far right end of your data sheet. Then step 3, press and hold the Control button, then press the left arrow. This will take you to the far left end of your row and show you the month for which the sales have occurred. Similarly, for navigating rows to the far right data entry of your sheet, step 1, select a row. We will still use row 7 as highlighted, but you can use any other row. Step 2, select any cell on the far left end of your data sheet, and then step 3, press and hold the Control button, then press the right arrow. This will take you to the far right end of your row and show you the percent growth for which the sales have occurred. Thank you for watching and hope you found this helpful. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more.